D. Triaging. Southville, again, in clinic visit, which of the following method of prioritization the nurse can do the intervention? Letter A, non-program based. Letter B, program based. Letter C, urgent referral. Or letter D, triaging. Guys, pag pinag-usapan po natin ang clinic visit, okay, everybody say, program based, non-program based, emergency. Say it. 1, 2, 3, go! Program based, non-program based, emergency. Isa pa. Program-based, non-program-based, emergency. Now, pag sinabi natin program-based, lagi mong tatandaan, pag sinabi natin program-based, pwede yung gawin ng nurse at pwede yung gawin ng midwife. Nakukuha ba? So, ang mga sample natin dyan, vaccination. What else? Integrated management on childhood illnesses. Nakukuha ba? Pag sinabi naman natin non-program-based, ladies and gentlemen, yan ang mga cases na kailangan makita ng doktor. Sample natin dyan, hypertension. Next, ladies and gentlemen, pag sinabi naman natin urgent referral, ang tinutukoy natin dyan is emergency. Life and death na yon. Triaging, ang tawag naman sa letter A, letter B, and letter D. Lahat yan triaging. So the correct answer here is letter boy.